back to another video. My name is Lainey, in case you didn't know, and I post videos every Tuesday and every other Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to join our little family. And I also post daily to TikTok and Instagram, so be sure to follow me there. Anyhow, today's video is actually going to be a little unboxing review sort of thing for a small business that sells kawaii and Japanese items. I actually got reached out to by a company. They don't know I'm making a review video for them either. It's gonna be, yeah, they don't know about it. But I got reached out to by a company who started up an app called Popshop Live, I believe. It's all small businesses and they stream events. So they stream their products, so you see them there in person and they answer questions in a chat room. It's actually really cool and I spent like a whole day on it. Popshop Live sent me like $20 to go support any small business of my choice. So I decided to support this store and it's called Popkillers and they sell so many cute things. I was really enticed by their store too because I saw they're doing a live and the person showing off the items was so cute. Like, this person had this bright pink hair, this super cute beret, and was really friendly, took the time to answer every single question. So I don't know, their customer service was so great, and just the way they were thanking every single person for their purchase and just their attention to detail and like professionalism when doing this live, it just really drew me in. So I was like, yes, this is the small business I want to support. And I was commenting in the stream and participating and I was like, dang, your beret is so cute, where did you get your beret? And the salesperson responded and was like, oh, I DIY'd this, but we have cute berets, let me go grab some and I'll show you. And I fell in love with the beret, like always. I don't even want to know how many berets I have right now. I have 3 Lolita berets. This will be beret number 4 for my Lolita collection, but outside of Lolita I have more than I can count. They're just like my favorite fashion item. But yeah, it was really fast shipping because it was all from USPS and there is like a flat rate of $5.99, and then Popshop Live does take a commission of, I think it was 5 or 6% from every sale. But otherwise it's a great way to find small businesses and support small businesses. So I was really enticed by it because I like supporting, you know, little companies. But this is it. It arrived super quickly and there was a tracking code and I just want to open it up for you. Whoa. Here it is! I really hope this matches my deer capelet because that's kind of why I was drawn to it. Oh, the beret, by the way, was $10.36. It was also on sale too, and I did actually find these on AliExpress for cheaper, but only cheaper by like a couple dollars, so I definitely just, you know, spend the extra dollar so you can support a small business instead of like a big manufacturer. Inside this plastic bag is a copy of my receipt, how much it was with my address. Are these stickers? What are these? They don't look like stickers, there's just these little paper circle things. At least I don't think they're stickers because, oh no, they are stickers. Ooh. It came with 2 cute little stickers of a volcano with palm trees, and then there's some writing above it, but I only speak French and English, so I don't know what that says. And then, time for the actual beret. There is a tag inside of it. It says, on a beret with felt, 30% off. It's so cute. It has this like corseting on it. It's black velvet corseting. It feels like a wool beret. Oh, that's actually really nice. A lot of berets don't have like this ribbing on the inside. Just my Clobo one does, but my Clobo one is also way more structured. So it's really nice to see that they have this ribbing on the inside, so it gives it shape. I just hope it fits my my head. Yep, oh it is. It's 90% wool, 10% acrylic. So I'm glad I guessed that right based off of the texture. The grommets are really cute on it too. They're very reflective, and then the velvet corseting is also very cute. It makes me a little sad that they tied it up so that the bow is on the inside of the beret. I'll probably redo the corseting so the bow is on the outside and you can see it because I think that'd just be really cute. And it looks easily removable too. This is not sewed down, the ribbons aren't, so you can change it out for any color ribbon that you want. Which I think I have some pink ribbon somewhere. So I might do that and pull it out for pink ribbon, because this actually matches like the little table. Well, the tables are a bit redder, but it matches my dress pretty decently. There's a little tag in it. I'm just gonna rip it. Let's see. We'll take off the KC. I'm wearing this wig too because I don't care if it gets messed up because I need to wash it. This is huge. This is way bigger than my pink beret. No, make a circle. Make a circle, please. It looks like a chef's hat on me. How do I want to style this? There's so many different ways to wear a beret. I don't know how I want to wear it. This is huge though. This fits with so much room left over. And I'm wearing a lace front. Like, do you see that? That's like at least 2 inches. This would be great for anyone who has like a big head. Oh dang, this is so cute. Oh, I love berets. Anyways, a huge thank you to Popkiller for this beret. I really love it. It's really cute and it's soft. I'm gonna wear this all the time during the winter. So you'll probably see this in a lot of my videos, and I'll tag them in any posts on Instagram too. But that's just all. Just a quick little review for a beret because I wanted to just support small businesses, and I will definitely be purchasing more of them with my own money now that I know they exist because their stuff is really cute. It does match. Look, it looks so cute together. I am ready for winter meetups. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so excited to wear this during the winter. This is the real end to the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.